Hello, my wonderful viewers. You're once again welcome to another interesting episode of Maths with Uncle Tony. And in this video, we'll be looking at something quite interesting, and it's called ordinary year and leap year. First and foremost, what do we mean by ordinary year or leap year? An ordinary year is a year that has 365 days, which means in the month of February, we only have 28 days. That makes it what? An ordinary year. Then what makes an leap year is when the month of February has 29 days, which means the total number of days will be 366 days. So what are we saying? We are saying that ordinary year has 365 days, while leap year has 366 days, which means with the addition of a day in the month of February, we make it a leap year. Now, but in a particular year, how can you know whether this year will be a leap year or an ordinary year? By merely looking at, just like we're in 2025. Now, do you know whether 2025 is a leap year or not? Or 1960, or 1964, or 1975, any year? How do you know when that particular year is a leap year or not? If you want to know more, watch this and let's go. Now we have an example on the board. It says which of these given years is ordinary year or leap year? We have two years on the board. We have 1964, we have 1975. Now, how do we know whether 1964 is a leap year or ordinary year? To know that, you have to divide the year by 4. Divide the year by 4. Let's quickly divide the year by 4. Let's pick the first example we have on the board. We have 1964 inside 1964 dividing by 4. Okay. Let's pick the number one after the other, just like long division. If you have been following my video, just like long division, if you watch my video on long division, I believe you should be able to divide a big number like this. Okay. 1 divided by 4, it cannot. What do? We write 0. Remember, we follow what we call DMX. DMX. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, and S stands for subtraction. Division is 1 divided by 4. It cannot. We put 0. Then multiplication, 0 multiplied by 4 is 0. We draw our line, then we subtract. 1 take away 0 is 1. Then you bring down the next number, which is 9. It becomes 19. 4 into 19, or 19 divided by 4. How many times will 4 go into 19? 4 will go into 19 4 times. I know there will be remainder, but let's just follow me. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 9 take away 6, it will give us 3. That's the remainder that we didn't consider before. So 19 divided by 4 is 4. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 19 take away 16 is 3. So we have 3 as a remainder. Let's keep moving. We bring down the next number, which is 6. It becomes 36. How many times do 4 go into 36? 4 will go into 36 9 times. That's the division. The multiplication, 9 times 4 is 36. We have 36. Both of them are the same thing. 36 take away 36 is 0. So if you like, write 0. If you like, leave it like that. We bring down the next number, which is 4. 4 divided by this 4 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. This is the last number I'm dividing. And this is the last number I'm subtracting. 4 take away 4 to give us 0. So I've exhausted the number, and my remainder is 0. Now, that's the most interesting part. 1964 dividing by 4 gives us 491 with remainder 0. With remainder 0. This is our remainder 0. So the question now is 1964 a leap year or not? Now, having divided with 0 and the remainder is 0, it means that it's a leap year. Whenever you have a remainder 0, that year is a leap year, which means February has 29 days that year. February has 29 days that year. So 1964 has February. If you check your calendar, you see that on February has 29 days in 1964, which means it is a what? A leap year. So 1964 is a leap year. So therefore, 1964 is a leap year. Isn't that simple? Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel, or have you followed me on YouTube, on Facebook? Please, if you haven't done that, please do that right away. And don't forget to share this video. Share this video, let it go viral. There are many people out there that are supposed to have this information. Thank you. Let's quickly look at number 2, 1975. 1975. Like I said, you divide by what? 4. We are dividing 1975 by 4. We pick the number one after the other. 1 divided by 4 is 0, because it cannot. 0 multiplied by 4 is 0. We draw our line. 1 take away 0 is 1. You bring down your 9. We have 19. 4 into 19. How many times will 4 go into 19? It is 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. We have subtraction. 19 take away 16. We have 3. We bring down the next number, which is 7. Now, 37, how many times will 4 go into 37? Or 37 divided by 4, it will be 9. 9 times 4, it is 36. We subtract. 37 take away 36, it will give us 1. We bring down the next number, which is 5. And that's the last number. 15 divided by 4, or 4 into 15, it will go 3 times. 3 times 4, it is 12. We subtract. 15 take away 12, it will give us 3. Now, this is the last number. We don't have any other number again. We have exhausted the number. This is the remainder, because 3 cannot be divided by 4. Or rather, 4 cannot go into 3. So, 1975 has a remainder of 3. So, therefore, 1975 dividing by 4 is equals to 493, with remainder 3. We have remainder 3. So which means, therefore, 1975 is not a leap year. So 1975 is not a leap year, which means 1975 is a year that has February with what? 28 days. February has 28 days. So which means it is not a leap year. If you find this video very interesting, please quickly try this. We have a classwork on exercise to do. My wonderful viewers, try this. Let me know we are flowing. We're 2025 and or yes, 2026 as well. Is 2025 a leap year? Number 1. Is 2026 a leap year or not? Solve it and send your answer in our comment section. Thank you very much and remain blessed. Bye-bye.